Welcome to East 7th Street, New York, where student living meets city style, and your college days come with a touch of luxury. Take your pick from a selection of lavish non-en-suites, each thoughtfully furnished with full-sized beds, perfect for a restful sleep, spacious closets, and desks and chairs that you can customize into your perfect focus space. Unlock a world of entertainment with the smart TV and chill comfortably with AC in unit. Beginner or pro, hit your fitness goals at the gym. Take a stroll in the backyard for some fresh air, or experience mesmerizing views of the city from the rooftop. With the elevator, laundry, and 24/7 doorman, your comfort is guaranteed. Students, your mornings just got relaxed. With Hult International Business School and New York University just a short walk away, getting to campus is breezy. Get on the subway at 1 Avenue or 2 Avenue, within a 10-minute walk, and explore the entire city easily. Elevate your NYC experience. Claim your spot at East 7th Street, New York, now with amberstudent.com.